is for apple, sweet and red. B is for ball, let's play instead. C is for cat, so tiny and cute. D is for dog, barking on the root. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all along. G is for goat, munching on grass. H is for hen, laying eggs en masse. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jug, bringing water to hold. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, the king walking by. M is for mango, everyone's delight. N is for nest, where little birds alight. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. P is for parrot, talking so neat. Q is for queen, crown on her head. R is for rabbit, hopping ahead. S is for sun, spreading warm light. T is for tree, giving shade so right. U is for umbrella, keeping off the rain. V is for van, taking everyone again. W is for watch, telling the time. X is for xylophone, ringing a chime. Y is for yak, in mountains it stays. Z is for zebra, stripes into shades.